Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your Dice Dreams application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your Dice Dreams application and you will then see three options in the display. You can log in as a guest by choosing the last option, or if you want to sign in using your Facebook or Apple ID, select either the Facebook option or sign in with Apple option. In today's video, I'm going to use the Facebook option. So tap on the play button right next to Facebook logo at the very top and tap on continue in the pop-up. Now, make sure to log into your Facebook.com account by entering its credentials. And Dice Dreams will request you to access to your Facebook profile picture, email address and friend list. Tap on continue and you will be able to sign in to your Dice Dreams account. So that's how easily you can log into Dice Dreams. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.